Okay, here we are going to create some command for this class. Let's say first command is def, for example, sum, def, sum of scores. Let's call it this, and what it get. Okay, for example, Faust, we don't know how to create a def. We just go to this and not def str, def myfunc. Okay, we just copy that and bring it down here. We can def myfunc, and then we got to print write self here, and then after self we just need to put something else, abc. Okay, we just put the abc. What is abc here? Let's see, abc dot name. Let's copy this line and see how it works to create a def. Okay, let's copy this line and paste, run it, myfunc abc, def myfunc, but it didn't give it anything. Hello, my name is John. And how it's working, we go to see how it's working. Def init. Oh, it creates a def here and another def down there. Let's us create that def too. We create a def init. How we could do this? Okay, we just go down. It's changing the object. Okay, let's try to call them in this def we have and print them. Let's try to call them def. It didn't get anything. Because of that, we don't put, just paste this def here, def myfunc. For myfunc, we say a score, sum, and it gets mathematics, science, no, it get nothing. Let's just by writing self, return sum is equal to mathematics plus science plus English plus history plus social studies plus French. Okay, let's run it. It say what? Invalid syntax. Okay, let's delete this wrong sum and then return sum. Now run it. It's running perfectly. Now we go for it in range. Let's say a student2 list.name. How we call function? We just call it by sum. Let me just delete it and put sum. A student has no attribute sum. Void name, we created the attribute, we created by sum. Okay, let's run it. Run it. Okay, now let's get a student list dot sum. List object has not attribute sum. That's right. We'll create a and get it a student list number 2, for example, and a dot sum Oh, sorry, a.sum 448. Let's 448. Why? It's not changing. It's changing, or I think it's not changing. Let's change the name to B. For B, let's run it again. Okay, we create a class. The sum is 448, 99, 448. Let's do something else. B.name is, and the name is changing. Why? The sum isn't changing. Oh, we must create a sum, I think. Let's see. I think, let's say just print it for now, and then we create some in the next lessons. For now, just print this, print this. For now, let's do the printing 448. Another object. Let's go and see why it's giving us 448. Let's check and see if it is true or not. 0. Let's sum it. Calculator. 39 plus 54, 99, 98, 83, 72. 445. What it give us? 448. And why does something like this does happening? I think because we forget to put something, but I don't remember. Let's go and search how to create a sum function in our class. In Python. I think we searched a little wrong, but let's go for this. Okay, it's not giving us the answer. What we are doing wrong? I can't understand. Okay, let's see what we can do. We created some, but why it's not working right? Everything is empty and it's getting us 448. Let's change the let's create the sum and then return sum. Or we can for now just create a sum here. We can create a self dot. Oh, we forget to write self. Sorry. Self. When we don't write self, it creates sum for all of the parameters and create one sum. But if we return, we must put sorry, let's just self.sum is it's a right thing. It's equal to sum and just copy that line. I put it here and over here just write sum. It's giving us error, invalid syntax. Let's delete this and write print sum. It's running great. Oh, we have also the problem. Okay, I try to fix it until the next lesson. Have a good day. Until then, bye. Don't forget to like and